So in the previous slide, we saw there are two types of fixed points, stable and unstable. And more generally, it turns out there are 6 types of fixed points that can exist in one dimension. So at this stage, it's useful to classify all the different types of fixed points that can occur. So we have some arbitrary function f of x that tells us how x is changing. So x dot is equal to some function f of x. So to understand the types of fixed points that occur, let's plot x dot equals f of x as a function of x. So one type of fixed point, as we saw in the previous slide, arose when f of x passed through 0 with negative slope. Say something that looks like this. So there's a fixed point where f of x equals 0. To the left of the fixed point, f of x is positive, x dot is positive, which means that the flow is to the right. For x bigger than the fixed point, f of x is negative, x dot is negative. That means that x is decreasing with time, so the flow is to the left. So this is a stable fixed point. Now the cousin or the brother of this type of stable fixed point is where f of x goes through 0 with a positive slope. So in this case, we see that if we're to the right of the fixed point, f is positive, x dot is positive, the flow is away. And similarly, if we're to the left of the fixed point, f is negative, x dot is negative, so the flow is going away. So this is an unstable fixed point. There's another way that we can have stable and unstable fixed points. And this happens in the more, I would say, unusual situation where f of x goes through 0, but with 0 slope. And so let's draw the analog of this, of stable and unstable fixed points when f of x goes through the 0 with 0 slope. So for example, we could have a function that has a cubic near the origin, and so it comes in with 0 slope and then crosses and goes below. What we see again is that to the left of the fixed point, located here, f is positive, so the flow is to the right. To the right of the fixed point, f is negative, so the flow is to the left. So this fixed point is, again, stable, but it's non-linearly stable. It's only because of nonlinear effects that we can actually cross through the fixed point. And I've also drawn only one arrow pushing in because, as you're going to see, for a nonlinear fixed point, the flow towards a fixed point is very slow. So in fact, in the linearly stable or unstable fixed points, the flow is quite quick, exponential convergence or divergence. In the case of a nonlinear stable fixed point, it's a power law approach to the fixed point. And then we have the analog of the unstable fixed point where I have, say, a cubic singularity in the other direction. So we have something that looks like this. And in this case, we have an unstable fixed point with slow flow on either side. So slow divergence away from the fixed point. This is an example of a non-linearly unstable fixed point. Now there's 2 other types of fixed points that we haven't encountered yet, and they also require some exceptional circumstances for them to occur. So for example, if I have just a quadratic equation that just touches or just kisses the x-axis, so if I'm plotting again x dot equals f of x, if I have a parabola which just kisses the x-axis, what happens then? Well, we see that there is a fixed point because if we start right at the fixed point, f is equal to 0, so there is no flow. But we see that to the left of the fixed point, f is positive, so the flow is to the right. On the other hand, to the right of the fixed point, f is again positive, so the flow is again to the right. So what it means is that if I'm approaching the fixed point from the left, this is a stable fixed point. Well, and if I'm just to the right of it, I'm flowing away from the fixed point. So we can think of this as like half stable, half unstable. On the stable side, I'll draw it with a filled-in circle. And on the unstable side, I'll denote it by an open circle. So this is a marginal fixed point. And the cousin of this fixed point, which is just the other way around, which is an upside-down parabola that just barely kisses the x-axis. The same thing happens here in that to the left of the fixed point, f is negative, and so the flow is away. To the right of the fixed point, the flow is again negative, and so if I start to the right of the fixed point, I'm drawn towards it, so now the stable side is to the right, and if I'm just to the left of the fixed point, I'm pushed away from it, so that's the unstable side. And so this is another marginal fixed point. So these are the 6 types of fixed points that can exist in a one-dimensional system.